Sam Booth is a designer and builder of extraordinary small homes. From his base in the Scottish Lowlands, Sam often ends up working in some stunning parts of the Highlands. He normally builds each unique home in his workshop before transporting the finished buildings to site. Sam is passionate about small homes and the far greater autonomy and simplicity that comes with living this way.
So a simple principle, use less, build smaller. And actually if you build smaller and build cleverly, you build something beautiful. And, this building is gifted with an incredible view. But any bit of external view beyond your building gives you that notion of a space that goes beyond the bit you're living in. So Sara and Pete's living room extends to the hills across there.
This project on the side of Loch Broom is near Ullapool. And over 3 days, Sara and Pete's new permanent small home is being unloaded and built just up from the shore of the loch. He wants to see small homes evolve so that many more people can get the chance to live well and in balance with nature.
But giving someone a home means so much more than just a roof and bricks and mortar. They call it their forever home, and I think that's a lovely way of putting it. It's suddenly they have a place. That's massively important, and that's massively important for anyone, really. That notion of being able to say, I have a place. And it's sad that so few people now are able to do that.
Their journey's been from yurt and then a geodome, and now this super luxurious small home. The design, systems and materials are all intensely pragmatic. Sam has also created an amazing sense of space. Autonomous, affordable, ecological, but perhaps more than anything, it's just a home that's simply scaled down. It's more in balance.
But he's amazing. There's not many people, I think, in the world that do what he does and get it.
In a way, this is the building at the moment that I'm most proud of, simply because of what it means to Sara and Pete. The downside of a lot of what we do, which is due to planning laws, is that most of the buildings we've done have been holiday lets. And that's, in itself, is not a bad thing. But what I really like about this is it's someone's home.